short one. I'm just getting done baling some cornstover. Been a heck of a day. Cloudy. We're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches of snow tonight, so that's always a bonus. But I'm just finishing up here, and we just raked it. We didn't cut it or nothing. We raked and baled neighbor's cornstover. He don't like it on his field. He can't get through the trash. So he's got a lot to do, or he would like a lot done. But we're kind of short-handed, so we only baled 150 bales worth, so probably 40 acres, 35, 40 acres. But anyway, we use them for bedding, and we're damn near out of bedding, so we have no choice. But yeah, the last couple of days been nice. Now today I moved in and got kind of pissy, and Devin's taking a load of corn to town right now, and we got to finish up one little spot tonight before or after dark or whatever, and try and get that done, and then we only got a quarter left, and then when the snow hits, you know, it hits. But all the calves are got shots, etc., etc. Hopefully weaning is on Monday, maybe. We'll just wean all 250 head or 300 head or whatever the hell there is. But anyway, yeah. Devin's John Deere Baler is 567. This is a stud. Usually when you bale cornstover, it's just a giant pain in the ass. But this bale makes it easy. Yeah, she's a net wrap. Like I say, this is our first year of using net wrap, and I love it. I don't like it when it's in the hay yard with feedlots, but you know, we just got done grinding a bunch of it yesterday. So brought the other tractor home. Ain't even seen that. That's a new purchase. Just got that a little while ago. I haven't even made a video on it yet, but that was on the B rake, and that's all. That's got to get put on the feed box. Devin 7600 is on the grain color, and yeah, but it's a beautiful sunset. But as you can see, we didn't do too bad. Like I say, this is the neighbor's yard. Anyway, just gonna check in. You know, it's about 5 o'clock here on Thursday night. Catch y'all later. Everybody be safe. Take care.